out here with my brother's friend in Pattaya, Thailand. I can't put her face on here because she's really mean. But I like her. She's really, huh? Told you to shut the fuck up. But she really nice though. As nice as she can be. It's recorded. I see him blinking. It's recorded. I see him blinking. This is the second time we did this ride. I had to buy 2 shots for this shit. I didn't record nothing the first time. I thought I hit the record button. I don't know what happened. So we taking another spin at it. Salute to the good fellas. Make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe. That's a fact though. Now we in traffic.
I like guy from New York.
New York. You from New York?
Huh?
Where you from?
I'm from Thailand.
Where you from?
I'm from Thailand.
Thailand.
Yeah, but I'm not look Thai. I'm look mixed black. Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, you look chocolate, baby.
Yeah, maybe my. I remember who my father.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. She got that cake too. That's a fact though. Oh shit. Oh shit. We out. Shit. Ooh. She got good brakes though. Good brakes. Great brakes.
I can ride and I can ride. I don't want to be stupid girl cannot ride corner ride.
Go around. Move the car.
I know that.
Thank you. Why are you taking pictures of us? Why are you taking pictures of us? Can I take a picture of you? No, you told me don't put your face on camera. That's what you told me. And then you taking pictures of us.
I just said.
That's not fair. That's not fair. That's not fair. Nope. I don't love you no more.
I know why you love me.
I fell out of love with you.